Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Aljane speaking. How may I help you? Kindly, ma'am, may I have your name and your room number, please? Thank you, ma'am. May I have your order, please? How would you like your egg to be done? Would you like scrambled or sunny side up? Okay, ma'am. Would you like to order the fresh mango juice or brewed coffee? For how many serving, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You have ordered an American breakfast, 1 serving of bacon, egg, sunny side up, tuna sandwich, and fresh mango juice. Did I get your order, ma'am? Are you going to pay cash or shall I charge it to your room? Okay, ma'am. Your total bill is 750 pesos. Are you going to give me the exact amount? You're welcome, ma'am. Your order will be delivered to you as soon as possible. Maybe within 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for calling.
Good morning, Mr. from 507. Here is your food service delivery. May I have two plates? Shall I leave the food on the tray or you want me to transfer it to your table? Please transfer it to me. Here is your egg satisfied apple bacon and tuna sandwich. Here is your Here is your fresh juice. Would you like me to open your curtain to brighten the room? Would you like me to assist you for your needs? Excuse me, ma'am, may I present to you your bill? Okay, ma'am, I received
1,000 pesos.
here is your change. Excuse me, ma'am, what time would you like me to bring your side dishes?
After an hour.
Thank you very much. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call room service department. Enjoy your meal and have a nice day.